Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the product service. Today we're taking a look at TD Bank, found online at www.td.com. TD Bank, often stylized as TD, is a major North American financial institution offering a wide array of banking products and services. From personal checking and savings accounts to mortgages, loans, and investment options, TD caters to a diverse clientele. Their website, td.com, serves as a central hub for accessing information about these various offerings, as well as managing existing accounts. Navigating the site, you'll find dedicated sections for personal banking, business banking, and wealth management. Each area provides detailed explanations of the specific products available, alongside tools and resources to help customers make informed financial decisions. For instance, the personal banking section outlines different checking account options, highlighting features such as monthly fees, minimum balance requirements, and associated perks. Similarly, the business banking section delves into the complexities of business accounts, loans, and merchant services, providing valuable insights for entrepreneurs and business owners. Beyond traditional banking services, TD also offers investment products through TD Ameritrade, a subsidiary specializing in online brokerage services. This integration provides customers with a seamless experience for managing both their day-to-day finances and long-term investments. Furthermore, the website provides access to educational resources, market analysis, and financial planning tools, empowering users to take control of their financial well-being. The website's user interface is designed for ease of navigation and accessibility. With clear menus and prominent search functionality, locating specific information is generally straightforward. Moreover, TD Bank offers mobile banking apps for both iOS and Android devices, allowing customers to access their accounts and manage their finances on the go. This focus on digital accessibility underscores TD Bank's commitment to providing convenient and user-friendly banking solutions. Finally, TD Bank emphasizes its commitment to security and customer privacy. The website outlines various security measures implemented to protect customer data and prevent fraud. Additionally, customers can access resources and support for addressing security concerns or reporting suspicious activity. This emphasis on security helps build trust and reinforces TD Bank's reputation as a reliable financial institution.